Good morning, children. Police TV Public School welcome you in today's Social Science virtual class. Children, today we will start with a new topic, Chapter 12 Communication in Modern Times. But before starting with the topic, let's have a look at the learning outcomes. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the term communication. आप कम्युनिकेशन क्या है उसके बारे में बता पाएंगे. यू विल बी एबल टू लिस्ट डिफरेंट मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. आप डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन की लिस्ट बना पाएंगे. डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन पर्सनल एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन. पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन और मास कम्युनिकेशन क्या है उसका डिफरेंस बता पाएंगे. यू विल बी एबल टू क्रिएट अ माइंड मैप ऑन टाइप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट दीज पिक्चर्स. It's letter, newspaper, radio, telephone, computer, mobile phone, television. Can you tell me what are these? Yes, all these are different types of communication. Now, actually, what is communication? You know, man is a social animal. He interacts with others, expresses his feelings and voices his opinion. हम एक दूसरे से अपनी फीलिंग्स को शेयर करते हैं, अपने आइडियाज़ शेयर करते हैं. When we speak to one another, we communicate. जब हम एक दूसरे से बातें करते हैं तो हम उसको कम्युनिकेशन बोलते हैं. हम न्यूज़ और एडवर्टाइजमेंट के थ्रू भी कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. थ्रू न्यूज़ एंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स वी कम्युनिकेट टू अ लार्जर ऑडियंस और अ लार्जर ग्रुप. Early man communicated by making different sounds like hooting calls or bird sounds and through signs. It was not possible for early man to communicate to a larger distance. Early man used fire, smoke, beating drums, and even reflection on mirrors to communicate to other people. In this way, he learned to communicate happiness, fear, warning signals, and so on. With the development of the spoken word and later written text and symbols, he was able to communicate in a better way and to more people. Spoken और written language के साथ उसने और ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ communicate करना शुरू कर दिया. Communication became even easier with the invention of paper. With the invention of paper, man also started giving training to pigeons to carry letters from one place to another. At that time, servants would also deliver letters from their masters by running to place of delivery. At other times, people riding horses and camels would carry letters from one place to other place. In simple words, communication is a way of expressing, sharing our ideas and sending our messages to others. The word communication is derived from the Latin word communis. Communis means to share. Communication can be done with a person present near us or a person far from us. एक पर्सन जो हमारे पास है या हमसे दूर है, हम दोनों के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. Many different ways of communication were used earlier. Letter writing was one of the most popular methods. Letter was the only way if we wanted to communicate with far away friends or relatives. जो हमारे friends और relatives हमसे दूर रहते थे, हम उनको लेटर के थ्रू कम्युनिकेट कर सकते थे. We had to write a letter with complete address of the receiver. Here we are sender as we are sending the letter. The person who receives the letter is known as receiver. The communication between the sender and the receiver is known as personal communication. The method of sending messages through letter was time-taking because of the procedure involved. Therefore, with the advent of technology, other faster methods like telegram, telephone, fax, mobile, etc. were introduced and used. Telegraph was also a means of personal communication. In 1837, Samuel Morse invented a system of sending messages by telegraph. The senders sent the messages to the dot and dash symbols, and operator, the receiver, receiving the message at the other end, translated these dots and dash symbols into words. The telegraph system has been discontinued because nowadays mobile phones and emails are used for sending urgent messages. Children, next we will talk about mass communication. Mass communication is a means of conveying a message to a large number of people at the same time. जब हम एक ही टाइम पे एक बड़े से लार्ज ग्रुप को कोई मैसेज कन्वे करते हैं तब हम उसे मास कम्युनिकेशन बोलते हैं. Examples of mass communication are television, internet, radio, social media, billboard, magazines, newspapers, etc. Now children, there's a small activity for you. Think and share. Listen to the question and video carefully. Ria is ready for Operation Ice Cream. She is thankful to technology as it is so easy to communicate with friends. Now it is very easy to invite your friends for an ice cream party. Technology is the use of science or engineering to create useful things. To communicate means you tell someone something. And decide means when you think about something and then make up your mind. जब आप कुछ सोच लेते हैं और अपना मन पक्का कर लेते हैं कि आपने ऐसे करना है. You could connect with friends using a computer. आप easily अपने friends को कंप्यूटर के थ्रू कनेक्ट करके उन्हें पार्टी के लिए इनवाइट कर सकते हैं. Connect means when you connect with someone, you talk or meet with them to tell them something. Next, you can easily communicate with a cell phone or a mobile phone. You can use its texting technology to type out a message. आप easily phone के through अपने friend को message करके आइसक्रीम पार्टी के लिए invite कर सकते हैं. If you have a cell phone, you can use its texting technology to type out a message. As you can see in the picture. Or you could use an old-fashioned innovation such as a rotary telephone to call your friends and ask them to come over. Innovation means a new idea, a new thing or way to do something. But the question is, suppose the power went out and you couldn't use a computer or a cell phone. And suppose your dog was hogging the rotary telephone. Without modern technology, how could you get the information about your ice cream party to your friends? Think and share your views. How will you communicate to your friends without using technology? One hint I can share with you. You can share your invitation on a piece of paper. You could make an invitation card. Write your answer on a paper and send the click to your class teacher. Now children, there's a small home task for you. You have to create a mind map on different types of communication. Draw this mind map in your notebooks along with the pictures and send the click to your class teacher. Show your creativity by doing both the activities. Thank you and have a blessed day.